What's up, YouTube? Do you want to know the number one reason why people fail to make money online? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, here on the channel, I do two things. I review software and info blogs to make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, I'm done. Seriously, if you don't look at my reviews, I can't help you. The guy is impossible. Never looks. Anyway, in addition to that, I also do videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of mindset stuff involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, you are the sweetest. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough for saying that. Liz Lemon, everybody. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much if you're on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so as many of you may know, I'm a politics and news junkie. If I wasn't doing this channel, I'd probably be publishing political commentary instead. Now, one person I've seen here on YouTube every now and then is a man by the name of John Stossel. Now, I'm not going to get into his politics. I don't necessarily agree with everything he has to say. He's a very, very dyed-in-the-wool libertarian. Basically, what that means is that he believes that government has very, very little role to play. I'm not going to discuss his views here because this isn't a politics channel, bottom line. But I recently watched a video from him that was absolutely fascinating. He talked about the marshmallow experiment.
Whoa, a space marshmallow!
No, Homer. Not a space marshmallow, just a regular, ordinary one. Anyhow, so what's the marshmallow experiment? So back in the 1970s, some researchers at Stanford University ran a test on several kids ranging in age from 4 to 6 years old. Don't worry, it's nothing freaky or weird. Basically, what happened was like this. Each kid was given a marshmallow or some other treat of their choice, a cookie or whatever.
Cookie Monster.
Yeah, something like that. Every kid was told, this is my dog, she decided she's going to photobomb just like her sister, our cat. Every kid was told the same thing. You can eat this now, but if you wait 15 minutes, you can get a second marshmallow or cookie. How many kids do you think actually managed to hold out? Only about a third of them managed to wait. The rest gave in to temptation, and mind you, this was back in the 1970s. Can you imagine today, with our instant gratification generation, how many kids could actually hold out? I doubt very many could. And so after the experiment, the researchers kept in touch with the kids. The kids grew into teenagers, and they went to take the SATs, and then they grew into adults. And guess what they found? Well, if you insist, I will tell you. They found that the kids who were actually able to hold out for the full 15 minutes, who delayed gratification, generally had much greater success in life than the ones who couldn't. They got higher SAT scores, they did better in school, and they did better in life generally. And that brings me to my topic today. Most people who want to make money online, they tend to have what I call the lottery mentality. They see the people who've had these amazing success stories, and they're making insane bucket loads of money, and they think they can do it too. And they can. They really, really can. I'm living proof of that. Okay, I wasn't making money doing online, and I started building up a business, and I've been making money now regularly. You can do it. But there's a big catch. You have to be willing to delay gratification. You have to accept they're going to work for 6 months or a year sometimes and make little or no money while you do so. And it will suck. I guarantee it'll suck. It's going to be insanely, insanely hard. That's why so few people manage to do this, because they think it's going to be easy. You know, they see these things and they think like it's like buying a lottery ticket. It's not like buying a lottery ticket. And every single ethical marketer will have a disclaimer saying this is not a get rich quick scheme. Doesn't matter. People seem to think it is. But if you really apply yourself, if you do the work and build yourself a business, you're going to see that it's going to begin to snowball. At first, it's going to feel like you're getting nowhere fast, but slowly but surely, you're going to see things start to turn around. You're going to start to build more money. And you're going to reach a tipping point where you're going to be able to look back at what you did and say to yourself, I made it.
We finally made it.
Exactly. So, do you have what it takes to make it in this industry? Let me know in the comments down below.